The main message today is very simple, and that in trade unions we are for trade, but we want fair trade that protects and advocates human rights, the ILO conventions, workers' rights, and also protects the environment. I think reaching these goals go beyond trade. It's not only trade related, it's our bread and butter job inside the European Union and also working with our partners outside the European Union.
The main message is that, as the title said, we are at a crossroads. We are an important moment for trade policy, where we need to discuss what trade policy can do for European citizens, but also for European business. And because I am defending the interests of European business, it's important that trade delivers for business, because that's also the way that we make sure business stays in Europe.
Today was a very interesting discussion regarding the trade policy, or what are we going to do next in these trade deals, because they created a lot of controversy in the last few months, and I think the European Union and the member states have to get prepared for this public discussion about trade and the impacts of trade. In general, we are looking to make a fair deal for everyone, but let's be honest, there will be some winners and some losers, and our task is to know exactly what group of people or what country or what sector are affected by the trade the most, in a positive way, but also in a negative way. And we really have to come up with some new method how to offset these negative impacts of trade agreements to the groups of people that were affected the most.
I would like the civil society and social partners to be involved at a much earlier stage and to also have a greater role. I mean, clearly we have a TTIP as an example where the transparency was increased considerably and where the advisory group was created for more direct involvement. But I think it needs to be broadened, and the civil society needs to be involved much more actively.